YouTube. Boys back. Boys back posting consistently. Hey. Who the fuck he think he is? Wolverine or some shit? But your boys back posting consistently. We finna give y'all an update on the Hemi. Get y'all an update on this ugly motherfucker. How it coming. And it haven't been started, so a good cold start is gonna be crazy. My car's still cold. As y'all seen, I just get y'all a cold start, so I ain't finna do nothing crazy. I'm gonna do something crazy towards the outro of the video. Tight. Towards the outro of the video, tight. Oh, that was my phone. Towards the outro of the video type shit. Who though? I really just oh! Oh, we good. We're good. Damn. I hate coming down this road. This bit raggedy as fuck. That nigga say it's gonna seem complicated to you if you're not one of mine. The road's gonna some shit. Damn, look at that C8. Damn, those C8s be clean. I ain't gonna hold you. They just be so quiet. Like, why y'all give mid to them? Y'all just be quiet as hell. They tweaking. I never understand why y'all be getting vets and they be quiet as hell. Y'all seen that though? That's excellent driving skills. How I went up, but then I seen this car stop. Pay attention. Always be aware of your surroundings. Your goddamn surroundings. You don't have a shifter. All right, boom. Chill on me, man. Damn. He backed up to see what I was. Imagine. Chill on me, man. Chill. My ass is crazy. See, that nigga just took me up in the camera, bro. That nigga just gapping my ass. He just took me to Gapplebee's in the Camry. Outrageous. Who said you couldn't pat in the 5.7? This road's raggedy, bro. Like, how can I do a POV through Baton Rouge hoods if this is what the roads look like, bro? Explain. You got lane clothes like nigga to hit that song. She would pull up in that nice ass Acura on side me. Big head ass, big Pouton head ass. Oh, about to tear my shit up. You need to leave. Extra and shit, cutting up through Baton Rouge, most dangerous hoods. I'm gonna do some shit like that. That shit gonna be tough. That shit gonna be tough. Look at this shit. Oh, acting like I don't know these roads or something. You catch flight on these motherfuckers. Damn. Big ass rim. Yeah. Come on, they close as a bitch. Get the stupid ass over.
I just put some money on his head. I can't say his name because he gon' really get
enemies. Please, nigga, please take a chill pill. Calm down. Wait. Come on, bro. Get out the road. That's what I'm saying. Like, how can we do POVs of doing this and that in the hood when they got all this shit going on? All this shit going on. What are y'all fixing? Why did they decide to fix shit November, December? Like, come on, let's be honest here. These are the 2 most traveled fucking months. You got Thanksgiving and you got all these fucking breaks, so everybody's out of school. And then right around the corner is Christmas and New Year's. Come on, man. I gotta be smarter than that. Then they gonna be fixed like in Louisiana when they be fixing on shit. It's never like, oh, a month, a couple weeks, cause it don't take that long to fix this shit. Man, this shit finna be here for about 3 years. I kid you not. I kid you not. This shit finna be here for like 3 years. I don't pull out in front of cars, bro, cause I don't got my tires on the back. I'm not finna be sliding across the street, nigga, hit my ass. Like I was saying, so quick, they been dirty as hell. But quick update on it, modless. We have no mods. This bitch is bone fucking stock. But other than that, man, nothing much done to it. I'm Catless straight pipe. I'm still fixing it, as most of y'all know that got me on YouTube. It was wrecked April 21st. 420. It was wrecked 420, so I had to rebuild everything from where I was moving to. But as far as right now, everything's fine. The only things I really got done to it, I got a 180 thermostat. It's Catless straight pipe, so I got gutted cats. Basically, 180-degree thermostat. I'm Catless straight pipe, so I have no cats, no rears, no mids, and no rears. I do have the exhaust tips. I just haven't put them on yet. Damn, my back seat actually. But yeah, bro, cause like, fuck they got going on. Dude's bucket tripping.
1 hour later. 1 eternity later.
Stop it. Get some help.
But like I was saying, but I got the exhaust tips. I just haven't put them on yet. I just haven't found the time to go put them on yet. So in the back, we sitting real ghetto. I gotta get another trunk because my spoiler's not gonna sit flush because of this. I can't even get the screw in there enough to sit flush. So we a little flappy right here. I get another trunk. I'm on 2-inch lowering springs, so it's like it's a 1.8 drop in the front, and I think like a 2-inch drop in the back, or it's a 2-inch drop in the front and a 1.8 in the back. Pretty much it, bro. Ain't really much done to it, for real. Oh, I'm also wrapping it. I got to wrap that I'm getting. Should I spoil it? Should I spoil it? I might spoil it. Hold on. So I'm not saying that this is the route that I'm doing. Thick stripe and a skinny stripe. That shit gonna be so sick. But I'm still deciding what hood I'm going with. I think I want to go with the Hellcat hood, just to make the appearance pop. Cause I just like how they look. Other than that, oh, and the only other fucking like mechanical thing that I really need, cause I changed everything under the suspension, like rear control arms, front control arms. I changed everything under the suspension. The only thing that I really need to do the suspension, I need to get some more shocks, because I didn't cheap out, because they was like 100 and something a piece. I don't like how my shocks ride. I want to get the blistering shocks that come on like the scats and shit. I want to get that for sure. Which I didn't realize there was much of a difference, but it's a difference. But and mechanical. Oh, I need an ABS module. So pop the hood again. My bad. Oh, damn, I don't know my hood latch switch yet. But other mechanical thing is I need an ABS module. So when the car was wrecked, it basically, as you can see, I changed this because the color of my car is blue. So y'all see I changed this. When the car got wrecked, I haven't changed my crash bar yet, but it still sits fine. So when it got hit, it fucked up this module right here. So this bitch is not working properly. I have to change this, but I have to change this and get it tuned. Not tuned, but like, what's it called? VIN matched or some shit. VIN match, reprogram, some shit like that. But I gotta change that. But that's the only other mechanical thing that I honestly need to do. Like, everything else has been changed. Fucking water pump, thermostats, gaskets, everything else has been changed. Lifters, like these the non-MDS lifters and shit, like all that's configured. Like, I don't know. I want to go. So when I get the Hellcat hood, I want to go with the Hellcat box with the lower intake too, with the double intake, so you know it sucked from the bottom and it sucked from here, because I already basically got the nostrils. So I don't know. So just getting there. But the car is basically getting there. That's all I'm saying. This is a quick update, quick POV for the first video back, and we're gonna hit y'all next time.